Feelings and needs are inseparable. Think of it this way. Let's say you have a 5-year-old child and they love math. They adore it. They've been exploring it and they're having so much fun. But then you put them in a classroom where no one else knows math and they have to count 1 to 5. This child, their needs for exploration, their needs for challenge are not being met. Because of this, they're going to feel bored. They're going to feel unease, and they're going to find strategies to meet their need. In a class that challenges them, they're going to meet that need instantly. In a class that doesn't challenge them, they're going to search for strategies. Maybe that's throwing pencils, maybe that's bothering other kids, maybe that's writing on the desk, maybe that's leaving the classroom to go look for an adventure. So remember, whenever kids are acting in maybe a way that's undesirable, always remember they're trying to meet their needs. Ask them their feeling and try to figure out their need. If you do, you can find a strategy that works for them and works for you.